What is MSCI index? From around second week of April 21, news is coming that maybe three Adani Group companies, which are Adani Enterprises, Adani Total Gas, and Adani Transmission, will be included in MSCI India index. And because of this, their share prices have increased for about 30% in 1 month. Yes, 30% in just 1 month. So first of all, we will have to understand what is this MSCI. So MSCI stands for Morgan Stanley Capital International. Morgan Stanley provides research services all over the world to guide where to invest, how much to invest, and when to invest, and many other things. Now the second thing which we need to understand is what is this MSCI index. So these are basically the index created by MSCI. You can say that index is a pool or group of companies. Now suppose that you want to assess the growth of any country or any particular sector. So there are indices either geography wise or sector wise or whatever it may be. So by looking at the returns of that particular index, you can assess the performance of that sector or that country. Now what they do is they make an index as per their research, and then there are many passive mutual funds which follows MSCI index, which means that these mutual funds will invest only in those companies which are included in MSCI index. Now the next question will be that how it affects the share price of the company. So if mutual funds needs to buy shares of these companies, then they will of course buy in large quantities. And there is not a single fund. There will be multiple funds buying the same share to match the MSCI index. So it creates a buying pressure on the stock which lifts the stock price up. And we know that only quality stocks gets included in indexes. So it may work like re-rating of the stock, and sometimes higher PE ratio is rewarded for the stock. So only the inclusion or exclusion of a stock from any index may affect the share price in favor of the investor or against the investor in short term. MSCI has created so many indices, and one of which is MSCI India Index. Now the next question will be that how can we invest in MSCI Index? So for this you need to go to any mutual fund app like Paytm Money or Grow and search for MSCI. And if any passive fund related to MSCI is listed on that app, will appear, and you can invest in it whether in the form of SIP or you can invest in lump sum also. It's not necessary that MSCI index will outperform the market or other funds every time, but it is so popular because they have given good returns continuously over the years. And if you are a conservative investor who do not want to take much risk, so you can always follow index funds, or I can say passive funds. And for short term investors, or I can say swing traders who want to hold stocks only for the month or 2 months, you can always go for stocks which will get included in some index in near time. For example, news came in April that, as per analysts, three Adani Group companies may get included in MSCI India Index in month of May. So if you have invested in these companies in April, you would have earned handsome return of around 30% in just 1 month. What our saving account paid to us, just 3 to 4% per annum. If we talk specifically about three Adani Group companies, as I mentioned earlier, so there will be an inflow of around $830 million, which is roughly around rupees 6,000 crores. And of course, if there is such a heavy buying in stocks, then price will go up for sure. Two other Adani Group companies, which are Adani Green Energy and Adani Ports and SEZ, are already there in MSCI India Index. So now MSCI India Index will constitute for five Adani Group companies if these three companies will get included. I hope this information will be useful for you. So like and share the video, subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. Stay invested but stay cautious. Or हाँ, stay at home, stay safe. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.